Welcome back to OG Superfly Garage. Today, even though it's hot outside, we're going to be making the transition from the chrome SVE wheels to the black SVE wheels. Let's go. That's interesting. That's interesting. This is taller, so there's a little more clearance up this way. I'm wondering if I should just take this cover off, then it won't rub up here. Only other option would be to do away with the quad shock, but I like the quad shocks. They have a purpose. You put these on like this because of the shape here, so the seat proper. It's like we go from one extreme to the other because last time we did the oil change, it was raining. Now it's just like too freaking hot. Literally, I burned. Almost like putting your hand on the eye. Whew. Cool off for a second. I'm already thirsty when the water's cold. Well, the day's done. We got the black SVE wheels on. Everything's on with that. I had to roll the rear fenders, so now there's no rubbing or cutting of the tires, so everything fits nicely without a wheel spacer or anything. The quad shocks are actually flipped. And so anyway, it's done. What do you think? It was a long day, and I appreciate you guys watching. And if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And have yourself a good evening. So OG Superfly Garage, take care. We rolled the fenders and everything, so all that would be in probably a separate video. Not 100% sure yet, but it will be in a video. Thank you, and appreciate the messed up. Let's do it again.